Having trouble with your YouTube Premium Family Plan? You're not alone. Many users face issues with invites, access, and sharing. First, ensure everyone has a valid Google account and is in a supported region. For invite problems, the primary account holder should resend invites through the YouTube app's family group settings using the QR code option for faster setup. If members can't access premium features, try clearing the YouTube app's cache, updating the app, or switching to a different network. Account linking failures, especially with Google Family Link, can be solved by ensuring all accounts are properly verified. These quick fixes resolve most issues within 24 to 48 hours. If basic steps don't work, more advanced troubleshooting might be needed. Check your Google Family payment status. If location-based restrictions are the problem, remember, content availability varies by region due to licensing agreements. While VPNs are not officially endorsed, some users resort to them. Looking ahead, YouTube is working on AI-driven fixes to preempt common issues. Trends point to increased integration with Google Workspace and more transparent consent processes due to stricter data sharing laws. By 2026, expect AI chatbots to assist with automated issue resolution. Keep your app updated and monitor YouTube's community forums for shared solutions and official announcements. Despite occasional glitches, the YouTube Premium Family Plan remains a cost-effective way for families to enjoy ad-free viewing and other perks.